Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. And today video is fits for your eyes. As we explore the world of women beautiful shoes, whether you are heel or a sneaker queen, we got the latest trends and timeless class for you. Let's dive in. First up we have the optimum of sophistication's high heels. From the black heels, these timeless classic never out of styles. Whether you are stunning in the office or stepping onto the dance floor, a stunning pair for high heels can elevate any outfit. Now let's talk about comfortable with or compromising style. Sneakers have taken the fashion world by storm, and 2024 is on expectations. From chunky soles to vibrant colors, sneakers are not just for the gammy anymore. They can are trendy, added to your everybody looks. For those days when comfortable is key, we can't forget to about flats and sandals. Whether it's sneak, silk, pointed, felt or a strappy sandals. These styles are perfect for both casual outing and dresses occasions. These come in a design for can be just as stylish as heels, boast and more beauty. An absolute standard in every woman wardrobe. From ankle boards to canny high heels, the options are endless. They not only keep you warm during colder months but also make a bold fashion statement. Get ready to stomp in the styles. Now that we have explored these gorgeous styles, let's talk about some practical tips to ensure your shoes game is always on point. Don't be afraid to mix and match your shoes these different outfits. Experimenting with combinations and breadth. Now live in the wardrobe and showcase your personal styles. The personality are endless. When it comes to shoes, quality is key. Invest in well-made, comfortable pair that stand the test of time. A few timeless classic will serve you better than a closed, full of trendy shows that lose their charm quickly. And there you have it, a journey through the world of women beautiful shoes. Whether you are fan of high heels, sneakers or boots, remember that your shoes are a reflection of your styles and personality. If you enjoyed today video, don't forget to give it a thumb. Subscribe for more fashion inspirations and hit that notification bell so you never miss out a step. Until next time, walk confidently, stay stylish, and I will see you in the next video.